Why she wants to record this, I don't know. But what I am speaking of right now is an upset. An upset of the #1 ranked team currently, the Alabama Crimson Tide, coming into Baton Rouge undefeated, going to lose their first game against LSU with 2 losses at home tomorrow. 2:30 start, not the way we wanted it. We want a night game, but it's okay. LSU is going to take it close. It's going to be close at halftime. I can't tell you whether we're going to be winning or losing, but it's going to be close. And if it's close at halftime, it is over. LSU comes away with the victory, and Alabama's season is over. Alabama loses to us. They lose to Florida. They lose to Florida in the SEC title game. And Saban is not the hero that everybody thinks he is. Down with Saban, down with Saban's mother. And I hope he dies and rots in hell.
Whatever.
Over.